Morning guys, welcome to Saturday's vlog. I never plan to start the vlog yet until me and Zai already forgot what it. But I just see them sending at the group say me must make puzzle with Zion name in a Saturday morning. No, you tell me, suppose me I want a Sabbath keeper. What's wrong with them people and if you laminated? No sir. Meantime I do look a fried dumpling for breakfast. So yeah, I may have to figure out now how to make this puzzle, boy. Right, so this is the best I could do. I'm gonna take it to Ochi and get it laminated. Going?
Ochi.
You going to Ochi?
Yes.
What are you going to Ochi to do?
Ochi.
You going to the barber?
No, Ochi.
Yeah, the barber is in Ochi. Barber there Ochi.
Mama Ochi.
Yeah. Hey guys, come with us on the road. We're going to where? Ochi?
Yeah.
We're going to Ochi. What is it just now? What's up guys? Say what's up guys?
Ochi. Ochi.
We're going to Ochi.
Ochi.
This is our fit. Lord, my belly big. But this is our fit, right? You like mommy here? You like it?
Yes.
Nice. I love it too.
Straight from the narrow now, make no rampage. Get the cheddar, money maker any weather. Berry treasure, dig it up and with the
Record.
Bobby, do it.
What me do?
Do that.
What did I do?
Do that.
Don't do that. You don't want me to video you? Alright, come. Oh, let me turn it over there.
Mommy.
Yeah, make it stay. Here.
Papa.
Yeah, fries?
Yes.
Say yes, mommy.
Mommy.
See here, put down that. Put down that. I'm going to put it back. I'm going to do it on that too.
Bye. Bye.
Your fries? We can eat it together. We can eat them together. Eat them. We can eat them together. One at a time, and then not to go somewhere. And chicken. We can get peas, but we can't hold it with our hand. No, I like the breakfast like it. Nice. Raining.
Taxi.
You see taxi? You see taxi? It's raining. The rain close up. Your belly out the door. Your belly out the door.
Hello?
Rain is falling.
Bye.
Yeah, falling hard. The belly full?
Bye.
Full of ice.
Yes.
rain catch you by surprise and I say we stuck underneath mothers. Me have to cover Zai head with him bag and run go buy one umbrella, but I'm going to carry him home now because I can't keep him down in this rain and then come back and watch it. No sir. You don't know where this rain come from.
No.
Not true, Zai.
Water.
Yeah, lots of water.
Yes.
Aki. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, miss. Yes?
So we're finally home. It was a hectic day today. I know the gigi them loud because night is drawing near, but no sir. What a drastic change in the weather today. I see some rain fall. I see what you wanna go wash with. Anyways, so I come back noodle and for me and say because my baby say more noodles, so I'm gonna give him what he more. Plus me in the cooking mood because I'm tired. So yeah. Oh guys, you know say after the sign that I made, me carry it for go laminate it. When me go say it can go through the machine. So me say trust since I say it is to come in on Monday, let me just ask him to type out his name on a sheet of paper or laminate it. I wanted it, you know, in colored. Would you believe that it cost me $1,300? Me I go show now what it is. And that I made, right? Me cut out the letter them and glue it down, whatever. It's on cardboard, so you know they said it was thick. I just thought it would be good to just make it with my own hands because I like making stuff. Alright, that didn't work out. This is what cost me $1,300. Can you believe? Ramen is a household staple. Everybody eat ramen. All young in between eat ramen. What you guys put in your ramen noodle? Me personally, I put pepper, garlic. Sometimes I add franks, and you know the regular season. I still have to add a little salt because sometimes through me use only for water, it will kind of make it fresh. I allow these to boil first. I want the garlic to boil out good in it, and then I add the noodles to it. I also add a little chicken seasoning and then I slice up the franks, and yeah, I'm gonna turn it off now because you know the soup is hot, so it will slowly cook the ramen to the desired texture, I guess. Yeah, because I like my noodle soft, so turning it off. This is nice. I'm gonna put soup in it. He will cool it and then eat, but yeah, it's hot. You have to cool it, okay? Okay? Answer me now. And then this is mine with the soup, and yeah. I don't know about nobody else, but anytime me drink or eat ramen noodle, I have to have something sweet afterwards. So I eat 2 whole bowl and I go to my bed early because I got bed late last night and I do my hair. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.